So let's open up a new research group, and we'll call it parsnip, or whatever the crop name is. Inside of this research group, we'll open up a folder. This will be a folder devoted to the variable upload. And inside of it, I'm going to open a phenotypic study. Also, I'm going to name it variables. Maybe add do not delete. And into this phenotypic study, I'm going to use the upload mechanism to upload my file. So let's first take a look at the files. So assuming this is our variable list, notice that we have these three attributes about the line, about the germplasm, and then here I've set up these genetic attributes for resistance, and these variates which I'm usually measuring in the field. So let's get rid of this column and transpose, copy all of them over here. But we do have to add them by a certain name, by a certain genotype. So let's call that example germplasm. And we'll just put the value 1 so that there's some value inside each variable. And we'll save that in the CSV format. And then go back to Phenome, select the file. We'll put the name in the genotype, because that's a system column. The pedigree, which tends to be long, I'm going to put in the long text box. The source and generation, I'm going to put in the attributes, as well as the genetic traits. I'm going to put as attributes, and then take all of these variates and put them under variates. Now I get a status window that one germplasm is going to be added, since the parsnip research group did not recognize the name of it. And then 21 new variables are going to be added. Here are the first 10, pedigree, source, and I expect everything to be new. So I'll press OK. So if we stand on the phenotypic study, in the germplasm tab, we'll see all the ones that were marked as attributes, pedigree, source, etc. And if we go to observations, we'll see the one that were marked as variates. That's all the ones that I'm usually collecting in the field. So we have our variable list now. Let's see it in the research group level under variables. Over here, I can put the group. I can mark all of these as genetic. Here it's currently an attribute. So edit variable, and let's put these genetic. And we can add a description, copy paste, or just write in. We can form them into groups if you'd like, by double clicking. And we can of course set the scales. And copy from this TY1 to all of them, so set scale for all of these. Of course, you can always add a new variable from here, so that will be add variable, and let's say that'll be fruit shape, and it's going to be a variate. Oh, it does exist already. And after I refresh to create it, it is right here. That's it.